Alright, so this is what we got. 96 Sunbird, ski and fish, Sunbird. Got a 112 Johnson, SBL, Screaming Eagle. I'm pretty sure that's not the name, I just made that up. But fixing to put in this piece of plywood from that bulkhead up to the front. Get it all cut into shape where it fits good. And I'll probably take some filler and tab it in and then make a good radius where my fiberglass will lay down. And then I'll come back with my fiberglass rolls in the cloth, lay it in. I got some work to do on the sides, enough to tab it in. I got some spots to get rid of some glue. And been doing a lot of sanding down in here. The ski well, had to replace that board. And there's another board there. I had to replace that. That's all fiberglassed in. I gotta do a little bit more sanding. Put some Bondo over my laminating resin to let it cure so I could sand it, because it was still tacky. As we know, laminating resin does not cure to a hard finish, so you could finish it. But little trick I read somewhere or another on the intranet, you put some fiberglass, the glass, like the Bondo kind glass, over it, and then some Bondo. I had some divots I wanted to get cleared up, which nobody's ever going to see that. That's just probably overkill for me. I got to get here and I got to vacuum all this out, get it cleaned up again. As you know, fiberglass sanding is messy. So I'll sand for 20 or 30 minutes and I'll go back and I'll blow everything, you know, in one spot, and then I'll vacuum it up. And that's what I'm about to do. Got a little bit more sand in here, right in there. I'm gonna hit in here a little bit. Then I'm gonna get my plywood, 1/2-inch plywood. I'm gonna get it on my table over here. I'm gonna make me a template out of some thick mill paper where it fits good. It's got to come up close to the side there so it sits up. Looks like there's a gap up under the plywood, so I gotta make sure I get it all cut in right. So I'm gonna make me a template, trace it on my plywood, kind of oversize a little bit, and then start cutting as I need to fit. And it'll end right here. And there's a piece that goes there, another piece that goes here, and then you got the tank cover that goes over the top of that, which that's going to be laid in 3 different sections. So yeah, man, it's still cold weather now, so I got about 3 or 4 months work on this thing. So I've been hitting it every weekend, a little bit at a time, and I hope to have it done soon. I hadn't made no videos in a long time. It's been months and months and months since I posted the video on my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up, and probably post it tonight or tomorrow sometime. And I might do it after I paint that, so everybody can see what that looks like. Got 181 subscribers last time I checked. Slowly going up. And so if you like the channel, hit that subscribe button, give me a like. If you like it, throw some comments down below. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, because I'm pretty sure that I'm doing a lot of things wrong. All right, we'll see y'all later.